weird ride. All right, just want to point out that this is the new Wild Mouse coaster. Very curious to see what the old one would have looked like. All right, you ready for this janky ride?
I'm ready for this.
Let's do it.
Awesome.
How are you guys doing back there? Oh my God.
That was smooth.
All right, this is a funky Wild Mouse. Probably one of the funkiest I've ever seen. Look at this. I think janky is the proper word for this, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, it's called Dolphin the Mouse. All right, guys, here we go.
Oh, no.
Oh,
A lot of rust.
yeah, a lot of rust. Just want to point out that there was a 5.9 earthquake a couple of hours ago, and we're still riding this janky ride. I mean, it's not thrilling, it's just sort of weird and here. Sort of like being in a car with someone who just learned how to drive stick shift, isn't it?
Uh-oh.
No! Oh, hey everyone! Whoa!
Hard brake. Hang on.
And, oh! We did it! Yay! They were so happy for us. Like the people on the station were very happy we survived. Okay, hang on everybody. Okay.
One more.
One more, here we go.
All right.
Oh, wait, might be this one. Here we go, and